Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the requirements to open a PNC Bank student account. Opening a PNC virtual wallet student account is a straightforward process, but the specific requirements depend on your age and whether you are a U.S. citizen. General requirements for U.S. citizens or resident aliens. To open a student account with PNC, you will typically need to provide the following. Personal information. This includes your social security number, date of birth, and your current residential address. A U.S. government-issued photo ID. Acceptable forms of ID usually include a valid U.S. driver's license, a state ID, a military ID, or a U.S. passport. Age-specific requirements. The application process is different depending on your age. Ages 18 and older, you can typically apply for the account online without needing an adult co-applicant. Ages 14 to 17, an adult co-applicant who is 18 or older is required. You can often apply for the account online with your co-applicant. Under age 14, you will need to schedule an appointment and apply in a branch with an adult co-applicant. Requirements for non-U.S. citizens. If you are a non-U.S. person and do not have a U.S. social security number, you cannot apply online and must visit a PNC branch in person. You will need to bring a valid passport with a photograph and a photocopy of your passport. A second form of ID, which can be your U.S. student visa or your U.S. student photo ID. Proof of student status. The PNC Virtual Wallet student account offers benefits like a waived monthly service charge for up to 6 years. To qualify for and continue to receive these benefits, you may be asked to provide proof of active enrollment in a qualifying educational institution, both at the time of application and on an ongoing basis. Finally, while an initial deposit is sometimes required when opening an account in a branch, this minimum deposit is often waived if you open the account online. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.